is a unique combination of elegant and dynamic design, intelligent BMW technologies, and innovative control concepts. Ladies and gentlemen, the all-new BMW 5 Series continues to break the innovation barrier in its class with game-changing technologies such as BMW gesture control, remote control parking, BMW display key, wireless charging, parking assist with surround view, the next generation BMW head-up display, and adaptive modes. The all-new BMW 5 Series is available in petrol and diesel variants. The BMW 530i Sportline being the petrol variant, and the BMW 520d Sportline, the 520d Luxury line, and the 530d M Sport being the diesel variants. Therefore, the all-new BMW 5 Series adapts perfectly not only to an active lifestyle, but also to personal tastes. The best way to describe the all-new BMW 5 Series will be powerful, agile, intelligent, dynamic, and progressive.